Yes, we can!
No. Beauties.
What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Where'd he go?
Welcome to JackJackPlays.
Where's Jackie?
I don't know.
Jackie's hiding, but what's he hiding behind? He's hiding behind a Bob the Builder RC Super Scoop. There he is. Let's unbox this thing.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, just a quick spin around while Jackie is getting his dirt a little bit ready. Ooh, it looks like it stands up on end. Okay, let's do it. Oh, look, it rips open pretty easy. That's a delightful change. Oh my goodness. Do we see twisties? A few. There's a lot of box going on. Okay, we use scissors to open this guy up. Look what we got, Jack. Here he is. What's his name, Jack? Scoop. Okay, we got him out and going. We don't have the remote control set up yet, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna have to mess with it, but Jack could not wait to get into some of this awesome molding sand. What do you think, Jack? What do you think? Or are you too busy to talk?
I'm too busy.
Well, this guy certainly is talkative. All right, Jack is scooping over here. Whoa. Oh, looks like Jack is loading this truck up. Nice. Good load.
Where's the scoop says like this.
You're standing him up like that?
Scoop stand.
All right, Jack dumped the load. We learned a new trick. Just hold it down. If you just hold the button, just hold it. It scoops all by itself. What are you doing, Jack?
Another hard day's work.
Can we build it?
Yes, we can.
Get this dirt out of the way.
Yes, we can.
Where are we going?
What did he say?
Nice.
Let's go back home.
Whoa, this guy's going crazy. Oh, what the heck? Okay, guys, we pulled out the remote control. We got the batteries in. Jack, let it go for a second.
What?
Forward. Whoa. Backwards. Now here's some button. Whoa, he's doing something crazy. Now watch this guy. We press a button and he's gonna stand up. Whoa, now he's down.
No, I want to.
All right, Jack's turn.
What the heck?
He's scooping now. Try the orange buttons. It's digging.
What does the scoop stand?
You got that thing outside already? How does it dig in the dirt?
Good. Here. I'm I'm gonna get him piled right now. I'm gonna do this, Papa.
You think that's good? Just wait till you see this.
What's happening, Jack?
The sand is the way. Beauties.
Well, we discovered the front part works just like any other outdoor scooping toy, but the backhoe part of the shovel, well, you have to have it on, otherwise it stays in the same position.
Lost this. And all the sand pours out.
Yeah, I like how that pours out of the scoop like that, Jack.
Of a scooper. What is a part of a scooper?
Well, it's just part of the scooper.
What's part on the backhoe scooper? It's hard one day. It's hard brown. It's cracking.
What do we think, Jack? Is this kind of a cool toy?
Yeah. Let's dig up the road. Dig up the road. It's rolling. Rolling. This too.
It's not working anymore. There it is.
I want to do.
You're pressing too many buttons at once.
Watch out!
It's raining sand. Hey Jack, what do you think of this toy?
Good.
You like it? We're gonna play with this for a while. Are we gonna get dirty? Super dirty?
We're watching JackJackPlays. We're gonna go to the park soon.
Yes, we are. Okay, kids, thanks again for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like us, and don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget Australia, kids.
We won't forget Australia.